Okay, as you always know, it's your U.S. General 5-drawer tool cart with side tray and deep compartment. Um, we're going to get a little bit into this right here. Ratchets. Let's talk about ratchets and what type of ratchets you like and what type of ratchets you prefer. We're going to give you a little overview of what we got sitting here at the top of the chest. So, I'm going to give you a quick view. As you can see, we're going to start back here, which is a 1/2 inch drive. I believe this is 24 to 25 inches. That's a non-locking flex head. As you can see, that's an orange handle. That's the only orange handle I actually own because during the time when I purchased it, they didn't have the red handle, but in due time I did get a red handle. I didn't want to swap out the non-locking because I actually like that also too. So as you can see here is the 24 to 25 inch long locking snap-on ratchet. I threw this in even though this is not a ratchet. As you can see, this is the 24 to 25 inch snap-on breaker bar. And then here you have your 18-inch lock and flex head snap-on ratchet. Okay, right here you have your 3/8 extra long non-locking snap-on ratchet. Then you have your 3/8 shorter reach and shorter handle locking ratchet snap-on. Then here you have your snap-on. This is the new multi-position 3/8 locking swivel head. Right here you have a 1/4 inch standard handle comfort grip, 1/4 inch. Then this is another 1/4 inch. Actually, this is not a standard handle. This is a flex head. This is your standard handle. Then you have your 1/4 inch locking comfort grip. And then this is the 1/4 inch standard handle with quick release. Over here, you have your 3/8 bent handle comfort grip snap-on. Okay, so there's a lot of mechanics, a lot of DIYs out there, that use all sorts of different type of brands, whether Mako or Cornwell or Snap-on or Gear Wrench or Tecton, Napa, Capri Tools. There's so many different brands out there, and there's actually a lot of good quality brands out there. Mac, Expert is another brand of Mac. There's a lot of different brands out there. I've actually owned a couple of other brands with some Craftsman. I took them out this particular chest right here because I recently got rid of one of my smaller chests and I started to move some things around. But what type of ratchets do you like? You can leave a comment if you like what you see. If you want to subscribe, if you don't like, you can press the thumbs down. I'm not an opinionated person. I just get into my craft. Right now I'm on my spare time. Happy 4th of July. Shop was kind of busy earlier. Now it's a little quiet. You know, people realize we're open on the 4th of July, so the customers is like, well, y'all gonna learn this morning. Y'all the only thing open. But, you know, it is what it is. Everybody enjoy your day and enjoy your holiday. Peace.